I welcome all of you in the lesson number 5 for grade 1 mathematics. And what you have learned so far, you know about the division now. You know how to do division by sharing into two equal groups. And yesterday you also learned the new method, that was division using repeated subtraction, how you can divide any objects into two, three, or different groups by using repeated subtraction. You know all these two methods for division, and you also have learned with the help of table like this how you can do division. If you know the table, that is very easy for you to divide any objects into different number of groups. What we are going to do today, we have some questions on page number 79 of your book. We will complete these questions, and later on we'll move to the worksheet where we have similar questions for division and we will solve these. But remember guys, I am not going to help you in any question. You have to answer me because we have already studied. I have already given you too many examples. Now it's your turn. I will ask you questions one by one and you will have to reply. Okay, I can ask questions in the chat box also, and I can open your mic and I can ask your feedback. I ask your answer. So please open your books, page number 79. Is page number 79 open in front of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good,
Yes.
very good. Guys, I'm going to read the question and I'm going to highlight also. Practice zone, page number 79, question number 1. Share equally. Look guys, share equally means division. Into how many groups? Two groups. Share equally into two groups, then find the number of objects in each group. Each means one. Each means one. One. In one group, how many objects will be there? These, if you look at the A, there are some vessels. Okay. You have to share these vessels into two groups and you have to find out how many vessels will be there in one group. Okay. All right, Umar. Good. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you questions and you are going to answer me. Oh my God, you already raised your hand. That's very good. Those who want to answer, raise your hand. I will ask one of you. I will ask one of the student who is raising hand. Suleiman Alugeli.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Suleiman. I want to share this vessels into two equal groups. How?
Okay.
How I can do it or how we can do it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.
Yes.
12.
These are total 12.
Yes.
Okay. Then what to do
All of
next?
them.
Now what's next?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
6. You mean in
And
one group?
divide 10 in two group.
Okay, that's, you mean in one group there will be 6 vessels, right?
No.
Okay,
Yes.
then. Okay, how do you know that? How you solved it? How you find out the answer?
I counted.
You share into equal groups, one by one?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. All right, Suleiman is saying 6. I don't know his answer is right or not. Now I will ask Ahmed Al-Badi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmed. We want to share these vessels into two equal groups.
Yeah.
How we can do it? Can you tell me?
One by
One by one. Okay. Tell me one by one. After that, tell me the answer. Do it by yourself and tell me the answer.
6.
Six. You mean in each group there will be six vessels?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I'll tell you later on whether your answer is correct or not. Siddi Ghalib.
Yes,
Siddi Ghalib, I want to share this vessels into two equal groups. Can you help me?
12 division 2 12 6.
Yes.
12 division 2 equals 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Yes, yes,
11
yes, yes.
13.
Fast. Or
B.
sorry?
A.
Yes, group A, how many objects? How many vessels?
12.
Four?
12.
Six? Okay. All right, I got it. Guys, now what you have to do, you all have to solve it. You all have to solve A and you all have to answer me on the chat box. If you share these vessels into two equal groups, how many vessels will be there in each group, in every group? Okay. And you also share with me a division sentence. You know about division sentence, how you are going to share? You should write like if there are total 16 objects, you will write 16 first. If you want to share into three groups or two groups, so you will write like this, and this is the division sentence. So tell me the answer and also share division sentence with me. I'm going to check your answers. Rakan, no, 12 is not the answer. Muhammad Majdi, Rashid, your answer is that. Sayyid Uzaifa Ajmal, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Rashid Ahmad, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Yusuf Al Mahmood, very good. Yusuf, I need a division sentence also. Rayan Umar, very good. Rayan, division sentence also I need. Muhammad Majdi, very good. Suleiman, Rakan, Saleh, those who are just giving me answer, I need a division sentence from all of you also. I want to check whether you can write division sentence or no. Suleiman Al-Ugeli, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Omar Mohsen, very good. Arish, very good. Very good. Very good. No time. This is not the answer. No. Time, there are total 12 vessels and you have to divide into two equal groups. Sam Shamir. Very good. This perfect, guys. All right, guys. So for those who did not understand, I'm repeating them. I'm repeating it for all of you, for those students. Okay. And those who know the answer, who have given me the answers, they can just check. Guys, for sharing into two equal groups, we can use any method. Whatever method you will use, the answer will remain same. Whether you are using sharing into equal groups, using a repeated subtraction method, or using table, any method you use, the answer will be same. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to use method here, sharing into two equal groups. Very good, Sami Jazi. How I will do it? For two groups, I will use two colors. Group A, I will use yellow color, and for group B, I will use purple color. So look, there are 12 vessels. So I give this first vessel to group A. Okay, and this first vessel to group B. Now there are too many. I give one more vessel to this group A. They are now two. And I will give one more vessel to group B. So they both are two now. Still too many vessels left. I'll give them one more. And one more to group B. So they both have now three. Still too many vessels are left. Give one more to group A and B. Both of them I'll give one more. So look, these are now four. And these are also now four. Still four vessels are left. I'll give one more. You can see here. And one to group B. Now only two vessels are left. If I give them one more to each group, then there will be no more vessels. So I give this one to group A and this one to group B. So you can see guys, now I have divided these vessels into two equal groups. Yellow group A and purple with group B. Wali Ahmad, don't send useless messages in the chat box. Okay, now you can check in one group how many vessels are there. Let me count for group A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Group A has 6. Guys, if we shared it equally into two groups, so in group B there also should be 6 vessels. Let me count for group B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good. Sharing equally means in both group there should be same number of vessels. So in every group there are 6 vessels. So every group, the number of objects in each group will be 6. Is that clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Very good. Very good guys. So I will write here the answer. The answer is 6. This is the answer. And I tell you also how to write the division sentence of this. For writing division sentence, you should know how many total number of objects are there. So there are total 12 number of vessels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I will write 12. Then you will write division sign. This is division sign. And now you will check. You have to divide into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell me we need to divide in how many groups?
Sir.
Seven.
Guys, you did not listen the question carefully and you directly answer. I am asking in how many groups we need to divide? We need to divide into two equal groups. So 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. This is the division sentence of A. Now coming to the next question, which is B. Next question is B, guys. There are some clocks and you need to again divide it equally into two groups. Okay. And for that, I am coming to you and I will ask one of you question. Okay. Many students are raising their hand. Muhammad Ali.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Ali, can you tell me how we can divide this into two equal groups? How many clocks are there? After division, how many clocks will be there in one group? Okay, there are total 14 clocks. Now divide them equally into two equal groups.
14 division 2 equals 7.
7. Very good. How do you know? What method are you using?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, you are sharing one by one?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you. And guys, please mute your mic. I am receiving messages from many of the students. Suleiman Tariq, Muhammad, I think Muhammad Majdi, Siddiq Ghalib, Suleiman Alugeli. I have received your answers, Ahmad Al-Badi. Your all answers are correct. You send me division sentence. That's very good of you. That's mean you know now how to write the division sentence and you know how to divide. This very good. Muhammad Talha, Arish, very good. Okay, let me ask to one more student. Yusuf. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yusuf. We need to divide these clocks into two equal groups. How you will do it?
14 o'clock.
There are total 14 clocks, okay?
14 divide 2
Okay.
equals 7.
7. How do you know?
Divide 1 by 1.
Divide one by one. That's very good. Very good. Thank you, Yusuf. All right, guys. So Yusuf and who was Muhammad Ali? They said the answer is 7. And I have also received the correct answers from many of you in the chat. But I'm going to ask one more student this question. And this is Saleh Al Malohi. Saleh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Saleh. We need to divide this into two equal groups. These clocks.
Where?
This one, B.
Okay.
Yes, divide these clocks into two equal groups.
It's 7. It's odd.
7. You mean 7 clocks in one group?
Yes, I can.
How do you know?
I see.
Sorry, how do you know? How you are dividing?
2, 2.
You are distributing two to each group? 2 by 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. All right, guys, now it's your turn. Those who did not answer yet, they need to answer in the chat box. I want division sentence also for this B and tell me the correct answer for this. Share these clocks into two equal groups. Tell me the division sentence also for this B. Muhammad Momin, Muhammad Ahmad Al-Badi. Okay, but I need division sentence also. Abdul Mueed and Rayan. Very good, Sayyid Uzafa. Muhammad Ali, very good. Muhammad Ahmad, division sentence 2. Not only answer. Sami Hijazi, not 13. There are 14 clocks. Soleh, uh, division sentence. Sam Samir, very good. Abdul Mueed, no. Ahmad Kashan, very good. Rayan and Wali, no. I need full division sentence. Omar Mohsen, very good. All students need to answer it. Sami Hijazi, very good. Muhammad Mamoon, okay, this is the answer. But show me your division sentence also. How you can write the division sentence for this? Suleiman Tariq, very good. Suleiman Alugeli, very good. No time. 12 is not the answer. No, Salman Al Harbi. Semi okay, division sentence. Okay, I'll take Salman Harbi with me. He is saying 10. I want to know why he's saying 10. Salman, hello Salman. Salman, can you hear me? Please open your mic. Open your mic. No, Arish, this is wrong answer. I'm asking for base. Yes, Salman Al Harbi, can you hear me?
14.
You said 10. How you can say the answer is 10? How you're solving? How you're dividing? How many clocks are there total?
14.
14. So you will write 14 in the division sentence. That's mean you will write here 14. And you are dividing into how many groups? Dividing into how many groups? Look here. How many groups? Yes, it's written here. Share equally into how many groups? Salman, answer me.
12.
Uh-huh. 14 total clocks and divide into two groups. Look, this is written. Share equally into two groups. So you will write here 2. This is the division sentence and you want to know the answer. How you can do it, guys? I'm repeating for all of you. Those who don't understand, I'm repeating for you. Again, I will use two colors, yellow and purple. Yellow for group A and purple for group B. These are 14 clocks, so I will start giving 2 clocks to each group. Look,
16.
this is 2 I give to group A and this 2 I give to group B. Right? Now look, there are too many clocks still left. So I will give him 2 more. This 2 again I give to group A
2.
and this 2 I will give again to group B.
4.
So in every group, how many clocks are there now? 4. But you can see still there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clocks still left. Now I will give one by one. 1 clock I give here to group A and 1 clock I give to group B. Right? Still there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clocks left. I'll give 1 clock to group A and 1 clock to group B. How many clocks are left now? Salman? 2. This one and this one, right? So I can share it one more time. I can share this one again with group B and this one with group A, right? Can you tell me in one group how many clocks are there? This is group A. Count the group A clocks, the yellow one.
7.
And how many clocks are there in group B?
7.
Yes, 7. So when you divide 14 clocks equally into two groups, so in one group there will be 7 clocks. All students' answers are correct. Those who tell me in the chat box and those who answered me uh, before that, right? So 14 divided by 2 equals to 10. Each will get 7 clocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7 also here. Is there any problem, guys?
No,
No.
sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Guys,
No.
very good, very good. Now we come to the next question, which
نقف
is
رقم النقف.
question number 2. In question number 2, guys, this is the question: mother distributed 10 eggs between her two children. Guys, whenever you read the question of division, there are two most important things which which you should read carefully. What? How many total objects are there? How many total things are there? Like there are 10 eggs, and between how many people you are going to share them equally, or between how many students, how many kids, okay, in how many groups you are going to share between. Okay, so 10 eggs between two children, that's mean you have to share into two groups. Okay, how many eggs will each of them get? Again, one children will get how many eggs? But here question said use repeated subtraction. So here we will use repeated subtraction method here. Okay, we will use here repeated subtraction method. Very good, Suleiman Tariq, Muhammad Al Sheikh. Very good. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Muhammad Mashdi, Arish, Ahmad Al Badi, Siddiq Ghalib. Very good. Muhammad Mashdi, Umar Nizar, Muhammad Ali, Umar Nizar. All right, I'm receiving answers from all of these students. Sayyid Uzaf Ajmal. Very good, guys. Now, for repeated subtraction method, I'm going to write Musab Al Sayyid. Yes, if you're writing the answer, I can see it. Rashid Ahmad Suleiman Al Ghali. Okay, guys, wait for a while. When I ask you to send me the messages, then you will send the messages. Okay. Now I'm going to minimize the chat screen in front of me. I'm going to write the first division sentence for this, guys. There are total how many x? 10. Okay. So I will write 10. And I have to divide 10x into how many groups? You will tell me this. 10 divide. I have to divide this 10x into how many children, guys? Can you tell me? How many children's?
Three.
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 All of you guys, listen my question carefully. I have to divide these 10 eggs between how many children? One children, two children, three children. How many? This is I'm asking.
Two.
Very good. So I will write here 10 divided by 2 equals to what? We have to find out this. So guys, what we have to do, we have to follow repeated subtraction method. Repeated subtraction method, right? So repeated subtraction method, we know it that there are total 10 eggs. If you give them one egg to each children, that's mean one time you will give them two. So I will minus from 10 eggs what number? Can you tell me, guys? 10 minus what? Very good. I will minus 2 from 10, and 10 minus 2 equals to what, guys? 10 minus 2 equals to what? Very good. 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. Now, how many eggs are left? After giving 2 eggs to 2 children, how many eggs are left? 8. Very good. Very good. So, I will write here 8. Now, I will give again one egg to each of the children. That's mean I will give 2 eggs to both in total. So when I give 2 more eggs out of 8 eggs, so how much egg will be left?
6.
Six.
Six.
Very good. The answer will be 6. When I will give 2x from 8x, the remaining egg will be 6. Okay, now I have 6x left. We can see guys here now, because there are 6x left and we have to keep subtracting until we reach 0. So again I will give one egg to each of the children. So 6 minus 2 is equals to, yes guys, 6 minus 2 is equals to,
4.
very good, 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Now there are 4 eggs. I will again minus 2. Give one egg to each of the children. Can you tell me 4
هنا
minus 2
4
is equals to?
minus 2 يبقى 2.
4 minus 2 is
هنا
equals to?
Two.
Very good. Now there are only 2 eggs left. But even if it is not 0, if you give again one more egg to each child, then how many eggs will be left? Tell me, 2 minus 2 equals to?
Zero.
Very good. The answer will be 0. Then there will be 0 egg left. So now you can find out the answer that each of the kid will get how many eggs. How do you will find it? Find out. You will check how many times you subtract in order to reach 0. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time and 5 time. So tell me guys, how many times you subtracted in order to reach 0?
5 times.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. So you subtracted 5 times. That's why the answer will be very good. I'm checking the chat box and there are too many answers. Very good, all of you. So the answer will be 5. You will write here 5.
لا دي multiplied.
دي multiply. لا أنا قصدي على دي.
هي دي multiplied.
This is
دي multiply.
5.
ليه؟
All right, guys. And do one thing. Cut question number 3. We will not do this question. Cut it in your book. Question number 3. We will not do this question. And we have completed question number 1 and 2. In the next class, guys, we will do similar questions practice from the practice sheet. Our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you into the next class. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.